Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Stuart. This is Bill Mascas and today I will show you this 2019 Yamaha 212 limited edition. It includes a trailer. What a great boat to start boating. It's very unique because it's powered with twin jets, individually controlled, so it gives you a very nice control of this smaller boat, having the opportunity to control it with the engines individually. I'll show you first. Start from the stern and you can see the twin jet drives as well as the rudder in the middle. Climbing up, you have this nice swim platform with stereo controls and a table to be installed for drinks while you're watching people swimming and or cruising along. Very nice seating area as well, and a premium stereo system to keep you entertained. The boat also has the sports tower with wakeboarding accessories, and the ladder unfolds right underneath the swim platform to give you access to the boat. You can see the nice entertaining area. When you're trailering the boat, the tower can collapse to allow you a better height access. Nice seating right across, as well as passenger and a helm. The helm is equipped with the multifunction screen from Yamaha, as well as the controls for the stereo and certain other controls for cruising and controlling your wake. These are the digital controls, storage with cup holders, more speakers towards the back, nice storage area right in front of the passenger, and then a very welcoming bow area with an anchor locker in the front. For further questions or to make an appointment, please call 203-808-5088. This is my cell, Bill Mascas, MarineMax in Stuart. Thank you.